Hi, hello, namaste. Welcome back to my channel. Anyone is seeing my channel for the first time, please subscribe and don't forget to press the bell icon. Today I came with very informative video, medicinal plant, Pudina leaves, and it is also called as mint leaves. You can drink refreshing mint water all the day, helps you with allergies and asthma. It manages all three doshas, vata, pitta and kapha. You can do chutney, raita, refreshing juice which is used in making a tea, beverages, jellies, syrup, ice creams and candies. It acts as a mouth freshener. Mint species is extensively distributed and grows in wet, moist land across the India, Europe, Africa, Australia, and other Asian countries. Aromatic Ayurvedic herb is a natural coolant. Pudina leaves is used to treat intestinal worms, are one of the foods rich in iron, vitamin C, potassium, and manganese, which promote brain function and improves the hemoglobin profile. The cooling properties of mint leaves helps to soothe irritated nose, throat and provides relief from sore throat and cough. Nipple sores and cracked nipples are common among lactating mothers, which make breastfeeding more painful and hard. Evidence revealed that applying mint essential oil is valuable in easing pain and heals soreness and cracked nipple. Mint essential oil can be used in several ways in preventing and treating cracked nipples and pain linked with breastfeeding. Whoever suffering from indigestion, consume daily handful of mint leaves. It can give relief from this problem. Bloating problem. Take 2 spoons of pudina juice, 1 spoon of lime juice, 1 spoon of honey, mix all together, mix with 1 glass of water, consume 2 to 3 times a day. Throat infection or itching inside the throat. Take some 10 to 12 leaves, boil in a plain water, make it warm, gargle 5 to 8 times a day. Teeth gums pain. Weak teeth, gums and bad smell from the mouth. Take 3 to 5 leaves, chew daily. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Please do like, share and comment, and this will boost us to do more and more informative videos